In this lecture, you can see that we have made use of raise statement to raise an exception. So in the previous lecture, we saw whenever an exception occurred, at that point of time we were handling it, but here we are raising that exception. So if a argument is missing, we are saying a raise type error and says at least one argument is required. And when I pass this inside the inclusive range without providing the parameter, you can see that it says type error, at least one argument is required. And here you can see the trace back. Now if you want to catch it over here inside the main method, you can do so by making use of the try except. So here we are saying try, and then this for loop gets executed. If an exception occurred, in that case it will catch that exception and it will simply print this line. So now if I go ahead and execute this, you'll notice it says argument missing over here. And if I go ahead and provide the argument and save this, you can see the output is printed over here. So that is how you can raise your exceptions and handle them using try except block.